Hey, hi on the History Nut. Welcome to e-learning platform. So today's topic is on related to testing. So if you get a job on testing, so what I'll be doing if I join as a tester or a QA or a SVT or a Q. So what is my responsibility if I got a job offer on testing? So what basically testing means? So what generally people will do if I join as a tester? What things I have to take care? So there are if you usually see right so when you go to the Naukri or LinkedIn or Fisher World or any job portals, so once you upload a resume that once you upload a resume and you'll get an email saying that so and so things etc. If it's a freshers or it can be experienced level or 6 months or 1 year. So what generally testing means. So if I got a job in testing, what generally I'll do, what is my task and what is my responsibility. So testing means, so what is a manual testing, what is automation testing, also what is DB testing. So there are different type of testings available in the market. So if I join as a manual testing, what generally I'll do. So let show me an example. Okay. So this is my official website. So these for enrolling the students, so which you can even you can also do, you can share the links to you as well. So once this is done, so in the previous sessions I have discussed how the requirements will be. There's a session called Zira sessions. You can go through the Zira sessions. In that you can see the creating a story and the creating the defect. So creating a story will show you the requirements, the login page, and etc. So let's take a requirement. So if I join the testing, right? So what generally I do? So what is my task? Is so this is a website. So we are into development stage. Think that excuse me. So this is a development stage. So I want to test it. So you got a requirement saying that. So if I join as a tester, so there is a requirement saying that to make sure that this website is working correctly or not. So there are testing cases and scenarios we have it. So writing a test case and making the test case pass and checking each and every step to make sure that the functionality of the testing application is working correctly is known as formal testing. Hey, give me a minute, please. So, so we have the sessions which are available in the Jira. So you can please refer the sessions. So what is Jira story, how it is, the requirements, how the will be gone through in the teams. So if you join as a tester or developer or any other roles, so Jira is a base tool which we use the projects, how it is going on, what the requirement of the projects, and everything is available in the Jira. So once you open the requirements, so the requirement saying that to make sure that registration page is working correctly or not. So 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 there's a requirement saying that registration page is working correctly or not. So there's a button, click on it. Actually, it should open it. Yes, it's working correctly. Means yes, that test case is passed. So registration form, you can put your name and your email. Sorry, dot k1243@gmail.com, and this is my agent. Okay, and my education 22, and sorry, sorry, wait check, right? So my age is 22, and my contact number is 525021829. So you can upload your resume, and if you want to complete resume, click on submit. So it's saying that a resume is mandatory. Click on it. You can upload any one of the determined text file. So it should have a less key. Okay. Actually, I should upload the text. Sorry, resume, but I have to search it. Where it does it have? Okay, this is usually I do in it in industry. So okay, your content has been submitted successfully. So this one, okay, thank you. Our experts will get in touch. So this is the way and this is the process. So if you join the testing, what generally you'll do. So if you're facing an issue like so you're not logging or if you throws an error, so the team has to test and each and every functionality I have shown it high level. So you should check the labels and you have to check the text, the alignment, and the font size, and the button is working or not, the session is logged, is user able to log out or not successfully, home registrations, excuse me. So you have to click on the tabs whether the tabs are working correct or perfectly or not. So once you're on the registration page, so this text is coming up correctly or not, and you click on the home page. So the user have to navigate the pages from registration page to home page, and from home page to once you click on the about button, so the user should able to land on the respective pages. So it's all these things, whether the Facebook and Twitter and Google plus plus, so all these are working as expected or not. All things need to be tested. So this is the role of the testers. So these things, we have a process for that and how to do that, and how to make sure the functionality is working or not. There's one document you have to go to the document, and that document will be shared for your respective leads and managers once you get into the team, and you'll get the session on the projects, how to continue and how to take care of the things, how to handle it, and what the further steps you have to do it. So why testing is important? So let me explain what is important means. So once you land on the home page, right? So you'll see the registration page. So also think that this page goes to live into production, and so I'll tell to the students to make sure that registration complete and upload resumes. So there is a drive going on in my college. So once you upload your resume, so the HRs will review your resumes and update you, and the sessions and the interviews will be conducted based on the sessions. Okay. So so once you the have the link has been shared to the students to fill the resume. So once you click on it, once they click on this click button, so user is not able to click. Means this is a blocker and they are facing an issue. Once you click on it, it has to go to the page. So this was not happening. So so this was not happening, means